Database administrators are experts in storing and organizing data so that users can access the information they need while keeping out unwelcome visitors. These IT professionals play a vital role in many industries, finance, shipping, healthcare, and others that obtain and store sensitive, private data. Database administrators oversee the development of new databases by analyzing the need for the database, clarifying the goals it's intended to fulfill, and identifying its users. Once the database is established, they monitor its performance and make improvements. Since many users rely on databases to accomplish their daily work, database administrators regularly back up systems to prevent data loss and establish steps to ensure the integrity of data that enters the system. When issues occur, they also find and fix sometimes deeply complex problems. Most database administrators work in computer systems design, data hosting, and data processing companies. There are also positions at insurance companies, banks and retailers, education services, and healthcare organizations. Almost all work full-time. Database administrators usually have a bachelor's degree in management information systems or a computer-related field. Firms that manage large databases may prefer candidates with a master's degree in a database management-related field.